Well, here we're looking at Great Panther Silver. This is one we're going to enter in again, and the reason being is we're starting to see this break over the 50-day moving average. We're really seeing a big improvement on the momentum here, and I felt we might see a little bit of a pullback. I was hoping to get a little bit more around to the 49 level. We know that that was the prior top, but it doesn't look like we're seeing that. If we look at it here on the weekly, we could see we're above the midpoint on the weekly. And we're seeing it really test this prior pivot high around the 60-cent level. I think we could start to see that happen. And we also saw it come very, very close to the retracement for the 49 cents here. I think we hit 50 on that for the week, if I do recall. Yeah, the low was 50, so we didn't hit the 49 cents. So we really did a quick retracement there. I just thought we might see like a 2-day, 3-day kind of correction. Now, when we move this onto the daily, you could see what a huge move we started to see here. Not a lot of volume just yet. That's the one concern, but it did kind of pull back into the range that I thought might happen. Here's our prior pivot high. This is, where, our exit was right in here because of the prior top. We did see a good extension here. And now it does almost look like we're kind of trying to chase it for this next move up here. But I do think on the longer term, if we really see this start to break out, this could be a very sizable continued move. So it may make sense to do that. We know our downside is around the 49 cents here. From there, I know that's, about 9%, but that's normally what we try to keep in mind around that anyway. So I think it makes sense to try to go long, see if we can kind of get a pullback near 55 cents. Depending on this, there is the 57 range on the weekly. So I would try to get as close to either this range with the open and close or this 55 cents. Any break there, I'd let this go a little deeper into the 50, around 52 right in there. So we have to see how it opens here if it's going to continue to rally. I know we're starting to see gold and silver starting to get, I think silver's starting to turn around a lot more than gold, but I think they're both starting to do it. And I think I don't, I want to make sure we're not going to miss this and see this continue to rally much further, especially the fact it's breaking through the 50-day on the weekly.